Hey guys, it's me Stace. Today we're using the Silhouette Cameo machine to make this adorable little box. Isn't that fun with the bunny on the front, and you can tie it up and fill it with all kinds of goodies. Now we're not going to go to the computer like I normally do. I'm just going to go right with it to put this together. I will have the design ID for you guys for the Silhouette Studio file inside the video, and I will also have a link below to where you can, if you have a Cricut or a Brother Scan and Cut, you can get it from Lori Whitlock. Alright, so the box does come like this, but it also comes in two different pieces, so if you want to resize your box, you can do that. But I just did the one box like this. We're going to go ahead and score on all those dash marks. Do you guys prefer using this the Cricut scoring tool to score your paper, or the dash marks like they are on here? I actually prefer the dash marks. I think they do a little bit better a job. Last one over here. Okay, so now what we're going to do is take our glue. I'm using art glitter glue. I get it from madeMadeIt.com. Put glue on this flap over here. It's a really simple box to put together. And just bring this one down. Okay, so our box is together. Now I'm going to go ahead and do the bottom. Just bring the two flaps in, the one flap in, and I'm going to put glue on this one right here. And just bring that in to make sure it stays nice and square. I'm going to go in and just kind of push them down. Okay, so that quickly our box is done. So you have these little pieces here that will hide the treats. Then you have the piece there. Let's work on our bunny. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is flip the face over. Grab our glue and put some glue behind here. Just like that. I'm going to set that piece aside. Now work on his feet. It's a really easy project. The kids can help you with this one. Alright, now I'm going to just put 3 little dots here and here. I'm going to grab my little poker tool here and grab those. This is just the quick stick. I'm not even sure where I got this from. I had it a while. Okay, we should have one more. Yep, right here. Yeah, sorry today's a late video. I was having issues with my machine, my Cameo. I'm going to show you my mat, you can see. Look, my mat is literally all duct taped together because there's so many slices in it and it was getting stuck and I thought my machine was breaking, but hubby was able to get it working. Alright, so now we have to put his little nose on. Just like that. Isn't that cute? Now we're going to flip that over and put foam squares on the back to raise that up. I'm going to do just 2 on the ears and then a few across here. Okay, before I did that I wanted to put the ears on. Okay, there's one. And we have this one. Yeah, but I probably cut this bunny out probably 6 or 7 times because I kept on getting stuck. Like I have like little slice marks on the machine, on my mat. So I definitely need a new mat. Alright, so we're all done, or we're all good. So I'm going to put the belly on. I think this is, no, it's the same color cardstock. It looked like it was a different color cardstock. Alright, so we have that. Now we're going to go ahead and give all the backs of these a smush. Take the backing off of those. So really simple little project. Okay, just line that up. Okay, oops, I forgot to get them little pieces out of his whiskers there. Let's see if I can grab them. Yeah, but I don't think I can. Oh well. Right now his little feet, we're going to pop them up as well. And I'm just going to use 3 on these as well. Isn't he cute? I mean, bunnies are just adorable. We had a bunny when the kids were little. All right, take the backing off of these ones. And then line them up on the side. You'll see where they go. Just like that. And then the same for this one. And we're just going to glue this right to our box. Could not be any simpler, right? Except for his whiskers aren't showing through. All right. Now you only want to glue from his ears down, because his ears stay up. Looks like a dyna hair there. All right, go ahead and put them on there. You're really cute too if you use like a glittery color cardstock. I'm going to flip it over and just put my hands in there. That's why I'm going to put my hands in to make sure this guy stays down. It dried before I got there. Okay, so put that on there again. Hold it there. And I'm going to go in there and just give it a squish so I can grab the glue. Okay. So like I said, these things stay down. Okay, you can put your bag in there or your candy. And we're just going to use some twine. I didn't have any white ribbon. I think white ribbon would be really cute here. I think I'm going to double it up. I have enough twine here to probably double it up. Give us a thicker of a bow. Go into the front, bring it to the back, and come out to the front again. Yeah, plenty here, hopefully, right? If not, we can just tie it into a knot. Super cute. I really do like this. This might be too thick. I think I'm going to go with it. You need to cut that down, that loop down there. So what do you think? Isn't he adorable? This one's just done in a brighter pink color. Super cute. Just make sure you have all the little whiskers out before you glue it to your box like I did. But I think it's really cute. Alright guys, there you have it. A really simple project. Like I said, I'll have the design ID in the video and also the link below so you guys can get it from Lori Whitlock. So if you want to use the Brother Scan and Cut or the Cameo, you can cut it out as well. Any questions, please let me know. As always, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day and I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.